5 Best Exhaust Pipe Cutters. Number 5. Grip-On GR18210BK. Cutting capacity up to 3 inches. Cuts thin stainless steel. Pipe cutters eliminate hand gripping effort. Spatter-resistant orange epoxy coating. Slightly overpriced option. Item weight, 1.7 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. CTA Tools 2631. Cuts pipes from 3 or 4 inch. Features carbide cutting wheels. Also features spacers for superior tracking. Heavy-duty constructional mouse. Strength and durability. Has trouble with stainless steel. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Gear Wrench 2031DG. Tool works well in hard-to-reach areas. Will not cut double-wall pipes. Not for use on stainless steel. "15 blades effectively cut pipe. Smooth action when properly oiled." Item weight, 1.16 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Lyle 31500. Cuts out of round pipes. Comes in skin packed. Skin packed. Unique design allows tool. Made in the United States. Item weight, 1.44 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. OEM Tools 27045. Designed for both on cutting wheel on each roller. Cushion grip handles. Designed for on or off car use. Comes in a cardboard storage box. Item weight, 1.35 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price.